Hey friends, it's Lauren, and today we're diving into the world of social skills. Socializing can sometimes feel like a tricky puzzle, but don't worry, I've got some awesome tips to help you navigate through it. Tip 1. Eye contact. Making eye contact shows that you're listening and engaged in a conversation. But remember, it is totally okay to take breaks and look away if you need to. Finding a balance that's comfortable for you is the key. Tip 2. Taking turns. Conversations are like a game of catch. One person talks, and then it is the other person's turn. Practicing this back and forth helps keep the conversation flowing smoothly. Tip 3. Body language. Our bodies can talk without using words. Facing someone when they're speaking and nodding your head shows that you're interested and paying attention. Tip 4. Use your words. If something is unclear or you don't understand, it's totally okay to ask for clarification. Using your words helps clear up confusion and it keeps the conversation going. Tip 5. Be yourself. Remember, you are awesome just the way you are. Share your interests, talk about your day, and let your personality shine. Friends will love getting to know the real you. Tip 6. Practice, practice, practice. Like any other skill, socializing gets easier the more that you practice. So take every opportunity to chat, share, and engage with others. And most importantly, friends, remember that everyone makes mistakes sometimes, and that is totally okay. What matters most is that you keep trying and learning along the way. Until next time, keep shining, friends. You have got this.